Hey, what's going on, guys? It's the Football Mix. Today, we're back with the Tops Kick pack openings, and we don't have the screen recorder thing, but I've found one. I just need to update my iOS because it works on the new iOS, but not the one I'm running. So that's all. So we should have that by next week. We're not really going for anything in particular today. I'm going to be opening Champions League, and
I think I'm going to go for the MLS Super Strikers because Will Bruin is one from the Houston Dynamo.
Alright, so we're going to start opening our packs, and I'm going to open first. Okay, guys, so I'm going to open the Champions League base packs, 3K ones, so here we go. Opening my first one right now. Isco, Nassery, and then some random guy for, I don't even know what team that is. Oh, Benfica. So, pretty crap pack to start off. Nothing in there. Casemiro, John Terry, Jeffrey Bruma, Silver. So pretty terrible so far. I'm hoping to pull some kind of insert. I'm going to try to pronounce this. Yeah, you can't see that. Stitchen Scars.
Bless you.
Thiago Alcantara. Roberto Pereira. Next pack. Ooh, Edison Cavani, but only a white. Mikel Arteta, and Isco again, red. So, barely opened any so far. Willian, Philip Lahm, and Luciano Vieto from Atletico. Luciano Narsing, John Terry again, and Doozy B. Is that Doozy? No, I have no clue. Some guy from Zenit. Our next one, Paul Pogba, red. Nemanja Matic, Samir Nasri. Next one. Mitroglou from Benfica, Javi Garcia, Oleg Shatov. Next one. Nothing so far. Roberto Pereira, Raja Nengolan, only a white though. Andriy Yarmolenko. Why are there so many hard names to pronounce? Champions League. Luis Gustavo, Raheem Sterling, and Mikel Arteta. Hope I can pull some kind of card. Artem Zumbia, Chesney, and Danilo. I'm going to move on. I'm going to open a Champions League payday pack real quick. And then just open like 2 more of the 3K. Cavani, Xabi Alonso, James Rodriguez, Mikel Arteta, Ricardo Rodriguez, Koke. We have the only half-decent card. Simon Poulsen, gold. Diego Costa.
What's your favorite?
Alright, so we're back. The video just cut because we need to free up some storage, but we're back, luckily. I'm glad I didn't open the pack I said I was going to. You won't see that part because I cut it out. But we're going to open a Champions League Player of the Month pack, and then that'll be it for me. So I've gotten absolutely nothing today, so this is pretty terrible. Roberto Pereira,
Again.
Nicolas Gatan, Zumbia, Cavani, Diego Costa, John Terry, and Kieran Gibbs. So that was terrible for me. I got absolutely no one. Like, the best I got today was freaking gold. So that's it for me. Let's move on to the MLS now.
So I'm going to go for the MLS Super Striker pack. I'm hoping to get a Will Bruin striker for the Dynamo. I'll turn the sound up. Mike Barella, Adi, Wadanowski, Tyler Derrick. Maybe he'll play sometime this year.
Maybe.
Josie Altidore, Lee Wynn, Perlo, nothing. Pack 2.
Maybe you'll actually get some kind of insert. I should have gone for DPL again.
Altidore, DeMarcus Beasley, I like him. Cerna, Corella again. Thomas McNamara. Razvan Caucus. Matthias Laba. Nothing yet. Kevin Doyle. Looks like he's having issues. Big Head Bradley. Zardis. Camara. Matt Bessler. Ooh.
Oh, we got one.
Fernando Adi. Super Striker insert.
That's pretty cool.
I like the lightning bolt. Zardis again, just a different. Alright, we're on pack 4 now.
Or some number.
Dom Dwyer. Juan Agudelo. Jordan Morris.
I mean, these names should be easy for you to pronounce after a Champions League pass.
Matt Bessler. Ignacio Piatti. That was a crap pack.
Just like all of mine.
Pretty much.
Terrible.
Oh,
there we
we
go.
got a Kai Kamara.
From Columbus Crew.
Remember, we're going for Brad Davis. Or Will Bruin. Not Brad Davis. Pedro Morales Gold. That's exciting. Benoit Charroux. Perlo again. Darwin Siren. I think I have like 12 of this card. Diego Chara. Javon Watson. Okay. Next pack. Robbie Keane. Simon Dawkins. CJ Sapong. Marky Delgado. Mauro Diaz. Sebastian Giovinco.
Bingo.
Bless you. Chris Pontius. Alright.
That was terrible. Just like the first one, except a couple.
Oh, we got another one. Kevin Doyle.
Oh my gosh. I feel like the MLS inserts are easy to pull.
Maximiliano Uridi. FC Frisco player. Fernando Adi. Brandon Vincent. Shikolazan Gashi. Marco Papa. Lamar Nagel. Alright, I think this is my last one, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah. That is.
Super Frank Lampard. Lamar Nagel. Marvell Wynn. Yura Mavasian. Juan Agudelo. Marvell Wynn again. Alberto Quintero. And that is all.
Alright.
So we pulled 3 Super Strikers, but none of the ones. No Will Bruin. Better luck next time.
I pulled nothing.
You pulled absolutely nothing.
So I hope you guys enjoyed the second episode of our Tops Kick pack opening. Next week we should definitely have the screen recorder thing working because I think you just have to have higher iOS to do it. So that's about it for this video, and bye-bye.
Peace.